Okay, we're here at this huge database called beta.SAM.gov. So please note that beta.SAM.gov is different. It's different from SAM.gov. Okay, so beta.SAM.gov, what is this? It's different from SAM.gov. Well, beta.SAM.gov is actually the test model for a new modernized System for Award Management database. Okay, it involves the GSA, or General Services Administration, as the host agency for building this database. And what they're doing is they are consolidating over 10 legacy programs into one. Those that are shown in green on the chart on the right, okay, they have already been migrated and integrated into the system. They're currently working on the System for Award Management, the database that you use to register your business or your entity in. One of the main reasons why it's taking a little bit longer is because your unique entity identification number is going to change. So they are working on that. And once it's up and running, you or your business will be assigned by GSA or the government, okay, this unique entity identification number. So you won't apply through DUNS, okay? It'll be converted. So that's one of the features of why it's taking a little bit longer for SAMs to be decommissioned. The ones in gray, okay, those are future legacy, conversions. And they're looking at out to maybe 2024 when all this is completed. Okay, but the main ones are located here. Those are the ones that you're going to be using the most. Beta.SAM.gov, okay, is set up in different domains. And they are called data sets. So these domains include assistance listings, contract opportunities, contract data, entity information, and federal hierarchy information, and wage determinations. I'm going to talk about all of these just briefly. Beta.SAM.gov, okay, is currently organized this way. So each of those domains or those data sets, you will see a similar pattern. Okay, you'll see a search feature, you'll see the data bank feature, you'll see the data services feature, which allows you to interact with other agencies, and you'll see the learning center. The learning centers are really good, okay, because they for each of the different domains, they enable you to learn more about how to navigate through those domains, either by quick guides or videos, tutoring videos. And then your workspace. Workspace is yours to use. It's yours to use. Let's just talk about the search function. This is basically how, with each of those domains, you'll see this search function set up similarly. On the left here, these are the filters that you can use to do a search. You can you can search by keywords, different dates, by federal agency or organization, by types of notices, okay, whether it's like a pre-solicitation, for example, a solicitation, okay, sole source, types of notices, DUNS numbers right now, or entity identification numbers. You can also search by your codes, your NACE codes, your product service codes, your FSS codes, by set-asides, and of course, place of performance. In the center, this is where you will get the information about either the solicitation, the contracting opportunity, or hierarchy, or wage determinations. You'll find that in the center. To the right, in the right-hand column, you'll get the specific information about the notice ID, published dates, and again, either types of solicitations, etc. So once you go into that center section, you will click on the title, and that will open up whatever it is, the solicitation of the project information, etc. Okay, again, the library, okay, or the learning center. Each of the domains will have a learning center of some kind. And you want to use this until you get very familiar with it. Okay, use this because it'll tell you how to navigate or the system or that particular domain. It will also enable you to interact outside by way of hyperlinks to other resources. So the Learning Center is key. It also will allow you to develop different reports, or there are links to outreach programs, there are links to small business goaling programs, and more. So use the Learning Center for each of those domains that you want to do business in or you want to learn more about.